Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. One of the hottest new hair trends that only seems to be growing in popularity is the look of hair featuring shimmer, glitter, and shine with the infusion of hair tinsel. Adding in tinsel is the perfect way to shake up boring strands. This trend will instantly glam up your hair, and it's perfect for prom night, any formal event, a night of going out, festival season, or if you're just simply looking to add a little bit of spice to your everyday strands. You can apply tinsel in your hair by looping it in, tying it in, using bobby pins, and even by using clip-ins. Add bold color by mixing in green and pink, or use hues of silver and gold for a modern shimmering effect. We love this trend mixed with curls as well as in the form of high ponytails. Feeling inspired? Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And of course be sure to let us know what you think of the tinsel hair trend. Is it a look that you will be trying out yourself? And check out some more of these hot ways that you can rock the look.